It's a great Yarmouth Railway Station. Very nice. Entrance to the office. Any other facilities and waiting room. Toilets. Looks to be as if there used to be quite a lot of shops here and things like that. I like this concrete statue of a Stadler train. Looks really cool actually. Just outside the station you'll find large amount of facilities. Car wash for Aldi and Asda. McDonald's just around the corner. Takes a rather large car park. And a British nice there too. I've already come here once today, but it was pouring up with rain, and there's the clouds for it. And let's see how that went.
3, 2, 1. Old Caledonian sleeper coach. I'm so drenched though.
Yeah, I got pretty wet and I was soaking wet for the rest of the day. There's Great Yarmouth Station. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this little whistle stop tour of Great Yarmouth Station. And I hope to see you in the next video.